What's going on, guys? So I know it's been absolutely ages since I filmed anything or uploaded any videos to this channel. Basically, I've just been stacked out with work and just haven't had the time. But I finally got a bit of free time to make more content for this channel, which I'm super excited about. But yeah, today I thought I'd make a quick little video as sort of an unboxing slash review of the Zhiyun Transmount Mini Dual Grip. Basically, I've just got this guy because we've got this gimbal, which is the which one is this? It's the Zhiyun Crane Plus. It's absolutely awesome. Absolutely love it. It's great for getting those really fluid shots when you're walking, or those little pans. If you don't want to have, you know, a big Ronin or, you know, the big gimbals that people used to use. This is so compact, you can get in those really tight spaces and it just works really well, really easy to use. The only thing with it is when it's got the camera on, which is the Nikon D750, which we use, which I'm actually filming on at the moment, it is actually really heavy, and when you just have one hand holding the gimbal, if you're shooting all day, it can get pretty tiring. So yeah, this thing has just come out, and it's basically to add a second grip to the gimbal, so you can use two hands to actually hold it, which I'm really excited about. I haven't opened the box yet because I thought I'd make this little video on it to show you, you know, what's in the box, what you get for the price. It's really cheap. I picked it up for £40, which is an absolute steal. I think I got it from CVP, I think it's called. I'll link them in the description below. Really good service. Ordered it and then it came the next day, which is always a plus point. But yeah, let's open the box and see what's inside, check out the product. So yeah, inside the packaging is pretty simple. It's just like a plastic mould just to hold the product in place. You know, you get the usual instructions, that's what they're called, the instructions, but I don't think anyone actually reads them. I know I don't. But yeah, there's not really much more in the box, to be honest. This is the grip itself. It's actually really good quality. I'm pretty amazed. I thought it was going to be quite plasticky, especially for the price, but it's not at all. It's the actual frame of it, or the actual main part of it, is pretty solid metal, and then you've obviously got the rubber grip and the nice padded strap, which has got a buckle on it, so you can adjust how tight it is on your hand. And then that's the mount point for it. So basically you screw that at the bottom of the gimbal to hold it in place, hold it on the gimbal itself. And it actually is a really cool feature of this is on the bottom of the mount wheel, this part here, it's got another tripod mount, because on the gimbal we use these sort of set up legs, I guess. It's basically a little tripod that we always keep on the bottom of the gimbal. So if we need to set up on a table or on a floor, on the ground somewhere, you can just pull those legs out and set it up really easy. It's a really cool feature of the gimbal. But yeah, it's cool because obviously this grip mounts on the bottom of the gimbal, which means that you wouldn't have the legs there if it didn't have that mount on the bottom. So you can attach the legs onto the bottom of this grip, which is a really cool feature. I hope that makes sense, I think it does. But yeah, I really like that. So yeah, that's pretty much it. It's a pretty simple product. It also, which I forgot to mention, it's got this mount here, which you can attach a monitor to, which is really cool because on the gimbal, there's basically two motors. One of them is behind the screen, so it's quite hard sometimes to frame up your shots and actually know what you're shooting unless you're sort of looking around, which is a bit of a pain. But yeah, that's really cool because you can attach a monitor and then link it to your camera using a lead. So that would be a really nice feature, and probably what I'm going to use that the most for. And also, if you get a what is it? It's a hot shoe to tripod mount, I guess you'd call it. Or no, tripod mount to hot shoe. You can attach the microphone onto this, which will be quite a cool feature. But yeah, like I say, I'll probably just use the monitor on that, which would be really cool. But yeah, let's stop talking about it and actually attach it onto the gimbal. and see what it looks like. So yeah, obviously first I'm going to unscrew the legs of the gimbal, which is really simple. Then literally all you do is just screw it on the bottom. Like I said, it's super simple, and I'm a massive fan of just simple products that work really well. You know, less things to go wrong in it. And there we go, I'm just lining it up to the right spot, because I still want access to all the buttons on the gimbal. And there we go. Wow, that actually feels so nice. It's so nice having you know, two hands for the gimbal, because it's, like I said before, when you have a camera on it, it's really heavy, and when you're shooting all day, you know, weddings, commercial jobs, stuff like that, it does get a bit tiring, which is why I got the grip, because it's just really nice having two hands to spread the weight, and I think it was just coming so handy. I think I'll use it so much. But yeah, really like it, because it's from Zhiyun, which is the same company that does the gimbal. The colours and the whole look of it really just fits really well, matches really well with the gimbal, and it just feels amazing. It's so cool, really nice design. Obviously everything can move just like it should, and yeah, I'm just super happy with that. And then, like I say, on the bottom of the grip is the tripod mount, so you can mount those legs straight onto the bottom. So if you need to set up the gimbal, you can still do that with the grip still on it. So that's pretty much it. I think that's everything I need to say about the product. I'm really happy with it. Like I say, I've literally just opened it, so I haven't used it yet. So if you want me to make another video about how I've got on with it, you know, in a couple of weeks' time, then let me know, comment below. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. It's my first one back after a while, so I'm a little bit rusty. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, comment below if you have any ideas for future videos, or if you have any subjects that you want me to chat about. Yeah, drop a comment below, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers, guys.